Thanks for joining us at Arizona Outdoor Adventures. Today, we're on Gold Mountain Trail just outside Big Bear, California. Once again, we were lucky enough to be invited along by our good friends at Raising AZ 4x4 for a long weekend mountain getaway. Big Bear, California alone was enough to tempt me, but when you throw in an off-road trail, there was no way I was going to pass this up, especially when it's a Jeep Badge of Honor trail like Gold Mountain. The trail started off climbing right away, and it wasn't too long before we approached the first waterfall, as you see here.
Bada bing.
This is by far the rockiest trail that we have been on. You just saw the first waterfall, and it's not too long before we approach a second, larger waterfall, as you'll see in a moment. This second waterfall was the most challenging obstacle for us, but Raising AZ 4x4 ate this obstacle up in their Jeep with 37-inch tires.
Easy peasy. Easy. Oh, no. No sweat.
Think about it, man.
You need to buy a Jeep.
Stop 4RUNNER. Wow. I think manifest.
You'll see here in a moment, we actually had to winch over this obstacle as I didn't do my research and didn't know the right line to take.
Okay, coming straight, get straight. Look up.
Oh.
Slow driver, slight driver, slow, coming. Driver, okay, coming.
That other crew seems to be like stuck at the last one. Ruh-roh. It's digging in.
Go, take your driver a little bit.
Back spinning. I have to use his track boards. Use them. Those things on the roof, they help you catch traction. He needs to find a rock to catch on, I think.
Back it up to that, okay?
Shh. No. It's the back's just digging in.
It's not gonna pocket, that's what it is.
Maybe you should go around that way.
Yeah, you're gonna come up more.
Oh, that was almost it. It's just stuck right there.
Same thing. It's that slick right there. Just gets on that bump. Okay, well, all right. Coming. Let's go. Take a driver a little bit. Go. Back up just a bit. Let's go. Driver. Back it up the top, okay? Careful right here. Yeah, I know. What I need to do is I need to get the cross up on this tire over here. So I need you to just give yourself a little bit of space and you're going to have to kind of get there. So go ahead and just back up just a hair. Stop. Okay, I want you to go driver. Coming toward me. Stuck in a pocket. That's what it is. There's a rock right here. Yeah, you're gonna come up for us. Same thing.
We were happy to have our newly installed Harbor Freight Apex Winch and excited to use it for the first time out on the trail.
You think our bumper's good?
I felt lucky to have a close friend along to help out in a stressful situation and happy that we could continue on to the next obstacle on the trail as the winch did its job.
Is that a good angle for the Jeep? Is that an okay angle for the Jeep? You're like on a cliff. What do I know? I don't know. Right. Not doing anything. There we go.
Even right after the winching, there were still several large rock obstacles to get over before we were past this waterfall.
Go driver. 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 driver a little bit. Driver. Passenger. Alright. Can I make this turn right here to your right? Keep coming. Passenger? Yeah, just keep passing passenger, yeah. Keep coming. He's gotta make the turn. It might not make it. You're still good. You're still good. You'll be alright. Keep coming.
The biggest challenge for those.
Go driver, come towards me. Go driver, keep coming. Driver. Keep coming. There we go. Walk up this right here.
One obstacle below.
Driver.
Very
Go driver a little bit. Driver. Passenger. Then turn right here to your right. Coming.
Where'd that other crew go?
They bypass?
As we passed the second waterfall, we continued to climb up the mountain through the pines. The views were amazing behind us, as I realized after I looked at the video when I got home. After this second obstacle and winching up it, I wasn't sure what to expect the rest of the trail. The only thing I knew about was a large boulder field that we still had to complete before getting to the end of the trail. This is the boulder field I was talking about. Sounds like nails on a chalkboard. Luckily, it wasn't too difficult to challenge, and we got through it without any problems.
You're turning into a rock. Yeah. Just go straight now.
Tell him to go passenger, passenger. Passenger. Go, go, go. You're back. You're good. The back tire's gonna hit. You go. You got it. So your back tire's gonna go up and over. Slow, slow.
Once again, thanks for watching Arizona Outdoor Adventures. Please like and subscribe so we can stay out on the trail and keep the videos coming.